My name is Robyn Liu. I'm a physician in Tribune. When it came time to complete my training, I had to decide what kind of practice I wanted to have, what kind of community I wanted to raise my kids in, where would my husband be happy. I was looking for job opportunities where I would be with a great group of partners, where I could practice full spectrum of family medicine. The only way that we know that people really do get healthier is by having more family physicians. And Kansas is really a leader in that area, honestly. I just found the perfect practice opportunity here. Great, amazing partners to work with. A healthcare system that was really progressive and dynamic and really interested in community wellness. Shortly after we came here, the movie theater, which is downtown, which is owned and operated by two couples for 14 years, decided they couldn't do it anymore. Rather than say, oh darn, we lost our movie theater, they formed a team, which my husband joined, and they wrote a grant. They got the money, they purchased the theater. It's been community run ever since, run by volunteers. We actually purchased a home for less than most people would pay for a car. It's a 60-year-old house. We then had the money to put a lot of renovations into it, and we're doing green renovation of the home, so it's going to be very energy efficient. It's going to be our dream home when we're done with it. I actually think Kansas is really beautiful, even out here where everybody says it's flat and there's nothing to look at. I love the colors of a green wheat field against a blue sky in the summertime. It's just, you know, it's just amazing to look at. One of my biggest worries in moving back to Kansas was, what are going to be the educational opportunities for my kids? Am I shortchanging them somehow by bringing them to a small town? It's been amazing to see how they have just sort of bent over backwards to work with us and to work with our daughter in school and make sure that she's getting, you know, the best education that's appropriate for her. Tribune is the right place for us. It's a progressive town. People have a real spirit of community here. People want to work together to solve problems. And there's people actively devoting their energies to making this a great place. And that's just something that we love.